Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix a 502 bad gateway error, then please follow the steps that I'm going to mention. Now the first step would be is to refresh the page where you're getting the error. So you could do that by just clicking in the URL tab and pressing enter, or you could right click and go to refresh. This should normally most times resolve the bad gateway error. Now, if that doesn't work, then what you can do is you can close the browser and reopen it. If this does too doesn't work, then we will clear the browser and cookies cache. Now, this method that I'm going to tell you is across all the platforms is almost the same. Now I'm using Edge, but it is the same for Google, Mozilla, and other browsers. So we go to history and we look for the option delete browsing data. There we select the time range as all time and we tick the boxes including cookies and cached images and press clear now. Now we restart the browser again and that should solve the issue. Now if that too doesn't solve the issue, a last option that we have is to remove the extensions, as the third party plugins could be creating this problem. So how do we do that? We click on the three buttons, we look for extensions, manage extensions, and then we look to see how many extensions are there. It could be more than one, because in my system it shows only one extension, but there could be several third party plugins in your system too. So what you need to do is you need to switch them off either all together or one by one and see which extension is creating a problem, which plugin is creating a problem, and then we delete that plugin. And that is how you can solve this bad gateway error. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.